Welcome back to the channel. It's your host Rob with I-25 Kia. We're still doing Colorado month and the Colorado sale is still going on at I-25 Kia. Let's go find a Colorado-y activity and we'll test drive this new Kia Forte GT2. So what makes this vehicle so great? You got a sunroof. Very nice. You've got heated and ventilated seats. You've got full leather interior. Check out these seats. Full leather. You have a wireless charging dock, and then you have this gigantic touchscreen with the integrated Apple CarPlay. You can go through your messages, your maps, your phone calls. And with the music, you do have the Harman Kardon premium audio system with the clarified technology, so all of your music's gonna sound super crisp, and if you got some bassy music, it bangs. So now, let's go meet up with some of my friends who are up the Pooter. They're a lot more adventurous than me, and let's go have a good time. Join. This is Friz, and it's her birthday. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
What is highlining?
Well, highlining is very similar to slacklining at the park. You set it up very similar, however, everything is backed up with a second line under the main line for if there were abrasion and it ripped for whatever reason. Then you have a leash that you attach to with a figure 8 and a ring that slides across as you walk. And you take whippers similar to climbing.
Whippers? What's whippers?
Basically, when you fall off, you do a big, ideally head-first bob down, and then you climb the rope, get back on, and repeat. You break a finger if you go feet first sometimes.
Really?
Yeah. Your finger can get stuck in between the knot in the harness, and feet first, it like flops you really awkwardly, so leaves more room for error.
Yeah.
Well, nice job. Nice meeting you.
Yeah, likewise.
Happy birthday. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was pretty fun, pretty awesome people. It was really fun watching them dance on the Highlines. And also a thank you to I-25 Kia for letting me borrow the Forte GT2, which is very sweet. And you should go take advantage of the 24-hour home test drives that we offer. They're totally free, and if you would like to drive this vehicle, we'll deliver it to you anywhere in Colorado. And when you're done with it, we will pick it up. Make sure to check out the Colorado sale. If you have any questions about any Kia vehicle, go talk to the car experts at I-25 Kia. Thanks for tuning in, and do me a solid and please like and subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Bye.